everyone, welcome to Simple Things. If you have a healthy immune system, your body can safeguard you from any disease. Nowadays, we are seeing many immunity boosting products available in the market as the whole market value of such products increased due to this crisis. But nobody is sure about the authenticity of such products, even though they claim so. So instead of going behind such products in this video, we'll see how to get a strong immune system naturally by adding some easily available natural ingredients to your daily diet.
Watch the video till the end for a super immunity booster drink recipe.
Natural antivirus food. Those who grew up in India will be familiar with the medicinal value of tulsi, ginger, and garlic. These are the first thing our mothers will give us for any viral infection. It's because of its capability to flush out toxins and boost immunity. Along with that, spices like star anise and cinnamon also have the same ability. Cinnamon is having antifungal and antibacterial property as well. Add these into your daily food to have an extra pinch of flavor. Along with that, our immunity power will also increase.
Antioxidants can prevent cell damage. Turmeric is having antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It has the ability to heal wounds and infection. Turmeric powder is a must in almost every Indian dish. Along with that, you can also consume it with a glass of hot milk. And apart from turmeric, vegetables like cauliflower and broccoli are also rich in antioxidants. Among all the vitamins, vitamin C and vitamin D contribute more for boosting immunity. Citrus fruits like lemon, orange, amla, grapefruit, all these are having plenty of vitamin C and D. Zinc helps to boost your metabolism as well as immunity. Cashews, pumpkin seeds, chickpeas and egg yolk contains zinc in them. Along with having a healthy diet, its proper digestion is also very important. Yogurt is a natural probiotic which helps the formation of good bacteria in our body and give a boost to our immunity. Try to include all this in your daily diet. Your immunity will improve without taking any fancy immunity boosting product. But even if you follow a super healthy diet, your body will still be weak if you're not doing this. So let's see what are they. Sleep. Don't compromise on that. Sleep for a minimum of 7 to 8 hours. Lesser sleep will make you tired. If possible, follow a early to bed, early to rise. Stay hydrated. Drink up to 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. It will help you to flush out the toxins in your body. Exercise regularly. Even if you are staying inside, do any light exercise regularly. Avoid smoking and alcohol. It's of no use having a healthy diet and follow all the above activities if you can't stop drinking and smoke. De-stress yourself. Relax. Try to be tension free. Don't stress out about everything. But this is entirely up to you to decide how to do that. Whatever makes you happy, follow that. Sit somewhere quietly. Do meditation. Talk to your favorite people, watch a movie, listen to your favorite music, whatever makes you happy, do that. Allot some time for yourself in your busy life and be happy. This one is loaded with vitamins and antioxidants. You can either use the leaves or the stem for this drink. If you are using leaves, add it only a few seconds before you turn off the heat.